government has announced that the e-visa option has been restored for citizens of Saudi Arabia and will be effective immediately. Electronic visas are restored in all 5 subcategories, that is e-tourist visa, e-business visa, e-medical visa, e-visa for medical professionals, e-conference visa cover for all available durations and number of entries. This makes it easier for Saudi citizens to apply for visas and travel to India for various purposes. Embassy of India in Riyadh tweeted that the embassy is happy to announce that the facility of e-visa has been restored for the nationals of Saudi Arabia with immediate effect in all 5 subcategories. It is worth noting that India launched e-visa services for Saudi Arabian citizens in 2019, which was suspended due to the COVID-19 pandemic but has resumed from March 9, 2023. For stamping e-visa on passport, the application must be sent to electronic travel authorization and payment of fees are required to be made a minimum of 4 days in advance from the date of travel and wait for the approval.